Let's learn how to crochet these lilies. This time the color that I'm using is red and this green, and the yarn is also the plushy yarn. Since it's an order, I thought it's high time I also teach this to you guys. And the crochet hook that I'm gonna use is this 3mm crochet hook. As you can see, it's a very thin one. And of course you are gonna be needing a pair of scissors, and then you are gonna need this type of wire for this project. This is the main thing while making lilies or any kind of wired flower, right? I've already cut it into small pieces like this and I'm folded them in the half, right? I'm gonna give you the link of these if that's possible. And of course then there is going to be this green main stem, right? Again, if there is an Amazon link, I'll give it to you guys. So this is all the raw material that you will need for this project, and let's just begin. Start by taking the yarn you need as a flower, basically the petals, right? And we are gonna start by making a slip knot. I'm gonna show you. We are gonna start by making a slip knot like this, right? It's a general one, right? Make a slip knot, and we are gonna be chaining 16. 1 2 3 4. Once you have chained 16, keep your hand on the 16 chain and chain one more, like go into the 16th chain, which is right here. Pull up a loop. Now we are supposed to be making an SC, but we are not gonna do that. We are going to take our wire like this and keep it like this pointy part facing the other side. We are gonna work in our wire. Hold your wire like this and take your thread or the yarn underneath the wire. You can see underneath the wire. And now when you bring your yarn from these two loop and complete a SC, the wire will be included. Again, I'm gonna show you. Next one is going to be an HTC. Yarn over, go into the other stitch, yarn over, go into the other stitch like this. Pull up a loop. As you can see, while we are pulling loop, the wire is also included. Pull through all three loops. I'm gonna show you again. Yarn over, go into the next chain. You can see that the wire is included, and we are gonna make a HDC. Basically, pull through all three. Now again, yarn over, go into the other one, and now we are gonna make our DC. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. Again, we are gonna be making a DC. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Total, you are supposed to be making 11 DCs. So first one was SC, then HDC, and then you're gonna do 11 DC. I've already done 10 DC. Let's do our last DC over here like this. Now you will have 3 stitches remaining, 1 2 and 3. Yarn over and make a HDC like this. Then again you are gonna make a SC, right? And now and then the remaining 1 stitch over here, you are gonna be making your pointy part. Make one SC. In the same stitch, make one DC, which is double crochet, and then make one SC like this, right? SC, DC, and then SC. Now we're gonna move to the other side. Flip the project like this. Pointy part is upward. First pointy part was downwards like this, and now we're gonna flip the project. Pointy part is upwards, right? Now we're gonna do nothing but mirror this part on the other side. So basically, be very careful. First you're gonna do your SC, then you're gonna do your 1 HTC, and then you're gonna do 11 DCs, right? And in the 2 stitches remaining, you're gonna make one, and you're gonna make 1 HTC like this, and in the last one you're gonna make a SC. Now go into the very first SC you made and make a slip stitch like this, right? Now chain 1. We're gonna broaden our petal. Chain 1 and do 1 SC. You're gonna do 1 SC again, you're gonna do one essay till you have reached this pointy part. You can see with basically it's gonna be 15 essays, and then we are gonna be making our pointy part. So we are gonna go into the middle stitch, basically the DC of the last round, right? Go on top of it, make a SC, again you're gonna make a DC, and again you are gonna make a SC like this. See, this is the pointy part of the petal, and again on the other side also you are gonna be making 15 single crochet, that is 15 SCs in total. Once we are done with the 15 SC, again go into the very first SC that you made and make a slip stitch, right? This is how you made a slip stitch. You are gonna chain one and cut the tail. Simple. You're gonna chain one and just cut the tail, right? And our petal is ready, right? It's very bendable, as you can see. You can bend it like this, right? And we are gonna make our 6 petals. I've already completed my 6 petals, as you can see, right? It's just nothing, the carbon copy of one petal, right? So for the leaf, again we are gonna start, it's going to be similar, right? We are gonna start by making a slip knot like this, right? And we are gonna be chaining 20 this time, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Now once you have reached the 20th chain, you're gonna chain one more and make 21st chain, and again you're gonna go into the very first one, like right over here. You're gonna go into the very first one, pull up a loop, and you're not going to complete the SC. Again you're gonna take your wire, go in there, and just pass the thread from underneath the wire like this, underneath the wire, right? Just a sec. Underneath the wire like this, and just complete your SC and move on to making HDC like this. Now the next fuse, till you have again 3 left on the top, you're going to do nothing but DCs. Yarn over, go into the next one like this, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Again yarn over, go into the next, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. SC, 1 HDC, and then 15 double crochet, 15 DC, and then you have 3 remaining. You're gonna do again like we did with the petal. You're gonna yarn over, go in there, make a HDC. Then in the last one, you're gonna not going to make a pointy part, you're gonna simply going to do 3 SCs in it. 1 SC, then 2 SC, and then 3 SC in it. Simple. And on the other side again, we're gonna flip our project, we are gonna do same, we are gonna do and make a slip stitch like this, right? And again chain one and leave a little longer loop. We're gonna wrap this around the wire, half of it is fine, like till here. Leave a little metallic wire to attach. This is how leaf looks like, and these are our petals, right? I'm gonna take 3 of these wires, right? We are gonna be making the middle part, like this part now, right? This is gonna wrap it, hold it like this, put on hot glue right over here, this much, and you're gonna wrap it around, like straighten it up a bit and wrap it around, right? Once you've wrapped it up, just hold your wire like this, push it like this, right? And you are gonna take your green color yarn on yourself, right? I'm just showing you how it's done. We're gonna cut flags. You can cut this off obviously, right? Let's just cut it off. Right now you're gonna assemble that. Just bend all of them a little bit, and this one, take a petal, then attach second one to the lower, right? And then hold, and you are gonna attach them all to the bigger wire that I showed earlier into the video. Petal, take it into the middle, right? And just put all the petals in the form, right, hot glue, and then wrap the green color yarn, right. And now I'm gonna go and show you the final project, right. And now I'm gonna show you